Akila here from mealprep.asia, and this week I made a healthier Lontong Goreng which tastes exactly like the original Lontong Goreng, maybe a tad less saltier, but it's still worth a try. Check it out. So here's what you need. You need some extra virgin olive oil, chili paste, tomato paste, oyster sauce, minced garlic, chopped tomatoes, sliced onions, some spring onions for garnishing. I also have some Chinese leafy veggies, some chopped cabbage, prawns, chicken breast, and of course lontong. You got everything, guys. Let's get started. Alright guys, so to make this healthier Lontong Goreng, you do need some extra virgin olive oil. So you just pour it into the pan together with the garlic and the onion, and then stir fry it until the fragrance rise up. And after that, you just need to add in all your sauces. So I have my chili paste, my chopped tomatoes, my tomato paste, and also my oyster sauce. Once it's in the pan, using your ladle, just stir it all up together really well with the onion and the garlic. Once you've done that, you can add in the chicken breast and then stir fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes before adding in the prawn. Stir fry that until it turns slightly pink, and then once it has turned pink, you can then add in your veggies. So I've added in my Chinese leafy veggies first, and then I added in my cabbage. Just fold it through, stir it up all together, and then let it cook. Once that is done, what I've done is actually put in a 3 hand-cup size of lontong, which is the ideal portion for myself. So you just put it into the pan and then stir fry it all up. So once you're done with that, make a hole in the middle of the pan, alright? So just shove it aside, alright? And then using with an egg, okay, so just beat it up a little bit, very lightly, and then pour it into the middle of the pan, and then stir fry it up all together. It's time now to build your meals. So in containers, okay, just put in equal amount of Lontong Goreng and you're done. Thank you so much for tuning in this week's video. I hope you enjoyed the healthier Lontong Goreng that I just made. Give it a try. Give yourself a break from all the salty foods, especially during this Eid season that we have in Singapore. Give it a go and tell me how it's like for you. And if you actually like the video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe link right here. And I will see you guys again next Thursday with a brand new cheap, fast, and nutritiously Asian meal prep recipe. Take care.